What is up, you guys? So it is 10:37 in the morning. I am headed to my church because I'm going to a baby shower. Before I get into the baby shower thing, I just want to let you know what we're doing today. So after the baby shower, I need to head to the office. I volunteered to do overtime because why not, like, get some extra money. But I also want to decorate my office while there's no one there, so I can talk to the vlog or whatever, so I can like do it in peace, because people are mad nosy. Like it's a cubicle, so it's not like I have a door or anything, like they can see what I'm doing. So yeah, so that's that. And then after that, I want to try this new vegan restaurant that they opened up downtown, and on the website the food looks so delicious, so I'm gonna do that. But anyway, so back to the baby shower. So the baby shower, I know I look like mad casual because the baby shower is casual attire because I asked, but the girl who is having the baby, we're not friends, personal friends. Like, she goes to my church, so like I guess friends by association or something like that. But anyway, so our church is in a time of fasting, so the people who are planning it, they forgot, so they were just like, okay, we can't have any desirable foods, so they were just gonna have veggie plates and fruit. And I'm like, you know, we can have good food that is vegetarian or vegan and it still be good, it still look good, it still be palatable. So I volunteered to do the food because I'm sorry, I don't want to eat carrots and celery and apples, so I just was like, I'm gonna do the food. Okay, so I have some sugar snap peas in here. I'm putting them in the water to loosen them up a little bit. I'm putting them in the water just for a little bit to loosen them up, because I know a lot of people don't like their vegetables crunchy. I personally do, but I'm not cooking for myself, so I'm trying to think of others. So I'm making them a little bit softer for the palate. So let me show you what else I got. Got some potatoes. I could have, what's it called? Chopped up some potatoes, but I'm not trying to do all of that. So I just bought some that has onions in it. And then the store only had 2. So I just got these. So I'm gonna just, you know, blend them together. I'm gonna have to cut these ones. And then I got some peppers. These are gonna go in the stir fry that I'm making, like the potato stir fry. These onions are for the salad. I got some frozen peas for the salad as well, organic mixed. And then I'm making little smoothies. So I got some blackberries, pineapple, mango, and some coconut shreds, and bananas. We got bananas. They're gonna be so good. I know. I didn't really show you guys much because I was really in here chefing. I was pressed on time, but let me just show you the finished product, and I know everyone's gonna like it. Okay, so here's the mess that I gotta clean up. Mess. Let me show you the food. Oh, here's the tables. So we have this type of dressing for the salad. Potato stir fry. Smoothies. And fruit.
She was so right. Not that I disagreed, but I didn't understand the full import of it until I thought that when Christ was born in a manger, he sent shepherds, he sent a star, he sent angels.
Then dip me underway, you can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I'm not trying to be here long. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of decorating. I'm just gonna set up a little bit of stuff, but over time I'm gonna be decorating my office. Anyway. Okay, so I do have a little bit of work to do because I did sign up for overtime, so that's kind of what I'm doing now. Then I'm gonna like kind of decorate my desk, sort of. It's not gonna be the finished product, but yeah. So as of right now, this is what my desk looks like. It's organized, but it's a little messy. But yeah, gonna make it look somewhat cute. This. Hopefully that stays up there, because I don't know. Okay, so this is what it is so far. I'm not done, but it gives it a little color. Okay, so that is it. I am free to go because I'm gonna do my stuff at home. I don't want to be in the office all day, so we're gonna go to that vegan restaurant and taste some food. I'm excited. Plus, I gotta hurry up because I'm parked in a tow zone. It's Sunday and it's supposed to snow, and it's actually really cold and it's raining, and I don't know, I just have this urge. I really want tomato soup and a grilled cheese, but like the adult version. So I'm gonna show you guys my adult version. And I don't eat canned tomato soup, I only eat fresh tomato soup. And I've only had fresh tomato soup once, but after I tasted it, it like changed my life. So I'm gonna try to make fresh tomato soup. So hopefully it turns out good. If not, I'm gonna be really sad. So, all right, let's get into the kitchen. Okay, so I just sauteed these tomatoes because I feel like they need to be sauteed. Some people roast them. I don't have time to do that. So I just put pepper, garlic, and basil, and a little bit of salt. And then this is vegetable broth with a little bit of butter and minced garlic. So now I'm going to put it in the blender as the recipe calls for. I just totally destroyed the stove, but we'll clean up later. Anyway, so I put the tomatoes in the blender. I'm gonna put the broth. I'm also gonna add, dang it, why did I get vanilla? I want some milk or something in here to make this a little creamy. I think it would taste weird if I put vanilla. I feel like it would. Okay, so I found some heavy whipping cream. I think this will do it to give it like its creaminess. Okay, so I don't know. It looks, maybe I need to add some more tomatoes. It looks very watery. Let's try it. I'm gonna try it real quick. The taste is there, but the texture, it's too watery. Like it's like juice. I need some more tomatoes. Okay, so I added some extra tomatoes, but I read this other recipe that says that simmer it and then add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. So let's see. I got me some cornstarch. So let's let it simmer and then let's see. Okay, so for my grilled cheese, I like onions and spinach. I usually put tomatoes, but since we're having tomato soup, I'm not putting tomatoes. And then we're using naan bread. It's gonna be so good. Oh, and we're using mozzarella cheese. This is the finished product. I gave half my sandwich to my dad because he was begging. But yeah, spinach, onion, grilled cheese on naan bread, mozzarella cheese, and then my tomato soup. Bruh, this tomato soup is This tomato soup, baby girl, I did that. I certainly did. At this point, I need someone to call Gordon Ramsay because I'm ready to be on Hell's Kitchen. I just got off work. I just got off work. It's mad cold outside. Anyway, I decided to go to Target because I keep seeing people post Target's Black History Month collection. And I want to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go see, and if I see something I like, I'm obviously gonna buy it. So let's go. It's actually right here in the front. That's nice. Super cute. I already see something that I like because I love Malcolm X. Oh no, they don't have an extra large. Well, I can get this size, it'll just be baggy. I'll just get extra large. It'll be fine. Those are cute. This is so cute. I'm gonna get this shirt too. OMG, Target has so much good stuff. And I'm not supposed to be spending any more money. Looks like we're about to be spinning a bag again. I don't know, but it is so aesthetically pleasing in this aisle right now. Like this bathroom stuff. I really need to leave before I start really picking up stuff. Ooh, let's look at the wine. I'm not really like a wine connoisseur. I've always wanted to taste this, so of course we're getting this. I think I'm gonna save it for February because it's only right. Okay guys, there's something officially wrong with me because I spent $160 in there. I'm supposed to be putting myself on a budget because I'm supposed to be, you know, saving for things. But yeah, I spent $160. I bought everything Black brand except for the pair of shoes that I found. But the shoes are worth it. I don't care what nobody says. But everything else was Black. Okay, so I feel like I did a service, so the $160 was worth it. I'm gonna, what am I about to do? I'm going home. I have food at home. I don't need to spend no more money. There is food at home. I got McDonald's at home. Okay, I need to be cooking, not going nowhere. So I will see you guys at home and I will show you everything that I got. Okay, first things first, I want to show you guys what I got that I'm so excited for. So, of course, I got the shirt. I don't care for the colors, but I can work with it because I love Malcolm X. I saw this shirt, green, of course, my favorite color. I fell in love with it. Love it. And then this one, I don't know, it was giving me like that Beyonce feel. Super cute. I got all of these in a 2X because they didn't have any extra larges left in anything. They only had small, mediums, and 2X. And then, of course, I had to get the Black Girl Magic. This was the only kind they had was rosé, so I just grabbed it because it's a Black-owned wine. Why not? Next thing I got is these 2 books because I have 2 nieces and a nephew, and they need to know their history. So, and these books are really good, really, really good. So, how to get those? I had to grab this Jubilee African American Cooking. Listen, I am going to be cooking some stuff out of here for real. The ingredients and everything looks so freaking good. Like, yes, how to get it. And then last but not least, I got these shoes. I had to get them. I got them in a size 11. As you can see, they were only 30 bucks, but so cute. So cute. So that is all for this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Stay tuned for the next vlog because we're finna do some more stuff. And yeah, peace out.